Hi, welcome back to Marketing Prof for another unique tutorial or video about this Fiverr multi-tier affiliate program. So what actually is this Fiverr affiliate multi-tier program? So anyone who has a website or a YouTube channel or Facebook page or any kind of existing or emerging subscriber or followers list can use the link in the description section to sign up for this Fiverr affiliates account. And once we've signed up as a Fiverr affiliate, so we'll get access to our own Fiverr affiliates account just like this. And this is this amount over here. So this revenue share or this money over here, the amount of money over here is a result of the Fiverr hybrid plan, which is an ongoing net deposit revenue share of 10% plus CPA amount of $10 during the first purchase of that particular account, that particular Fiverr account. So you can recommend it to your friend, and you start earning like 10% out of whatever that your friend purchases. Okay, so what's so attractive about Fiverr and this Fiverr affiliates program? So let's look into this Fiverr's statistics through SimilarWeb, which is the leading worldwide web analytics software, this website. And we notice that Fiverr actually has a highly monthly average visitors as compared to another similar online services platform or marketplace known as Upwork or Upwork.com. So immediately you can see the difference between the two platforms, that Fiverr is more favorable as compared to Upwork. And not just that, Fiverr is also listed on NYSE, which is New York Stock Exchange. Okay, and this is its code on New York Stock Exchange. So business is also good since it has gone public during year 2019. And so how exactly does this Fiverr multi-tier affiliate program works? So Fiverr affiliates multi-tier program has a simple concept, which is every sub-affiliate or partners that we are able to attract into our organization or team will enable us to get a 10% revenue share from our friend or our partner. So not just that, if they start to make earnings through all these like Fiverr hybrid plan, basically like the Fiverr hybrid plan or the Fiverr CPA, which is most common, you'll get like, based on all these, there's a complete compensation structure over here, which you will be able to see once you have a Fiverr affiliate account, and you can sign up through the link in the description. And there are also other perks that's being offered by Fiverr. So how do we begin in this sub-affiliates program or this activity? So first of all, we can just hover our cursor to this sub-affiliates link. Okay, and we can just grab this link, copy, and save it to wherever we want to save. So, and we can view the report over here. And if, let's say you yourself as a affiliate, Fiverr affiliate, So how can you actually customize the links or grab the links? We can head over to marketing tools and we can go to default and deep links. Okay, and this is the Fiverr hybrid page, the URL, and you can just grab this. Let's say if you want to have a shortened URL, you can also do so, and it will give you another domain for this, all these affiliate links. Okay, and if you want to recommend a specific seller or a studio or agency, you can just go ahead and select any. Okay, select any seller or studio and you can just paste it over here, which is LP URL, just like that. And this is what we get for the Fiverr hybrid. Yeah, and just paste it. Yeah, and this is the particular seller or studio. This is a level 2 seller. Yeah, so that's how we actually begin our Fiverr affiliates journey. And of course, you can also participate in the sub affiliates program, which is like share your link with your friends or anybody within your network or organization. Yeah, so that's all for this tutorial, this video about Fiverr affiliates, this sub affiliates or multi-tier program. So if you like the tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share your thoughts about this Fiverr multi-tier affiliates program in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification for more tutorials just like this.